Is your old laptop getting slower every day? Does it take forever just to start up, open apps, or load a browser? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up any old laptop in just 5 minutes. No tools, no technical knowledge, and no money required. Let's get started. First, we're going to disable startup programs, the apps that run automatically every time you turn on your laptop. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager, then go to the Startup tab. You'll see a list of programs that launch on boot. Disable anything you don't need, like game launchers, update managers, or background apps. This alone can shave off minutes from your startup time. Next, clear temporary files. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard, type %temp% and hit enter. These are leftover files your system doesn't need anymore. Select everything and delete it. Then do the same with temp and prefetch folders. This frees up storage and helps your system perform faster. Now, let's clean up storage even more using Windows Storage Sense. Go to Settings, then System, then Storage. Enable Storage Sense and run it once. Windows will automatically delete junk files, log files, and old cache data. Fourth, uninstall apps you never use. Go to Apps and Features and remove anything that's taking up space or running in the background without your knowledge. Old software and bloatware slow your laptop down more than you think. Next, we'll optimize your browser. If your laptop slows down only when you're online, your browser might be the problem. Clear your browser cache, disable unnecessary extensions, and avoid keeping too many tabs open. For Chrome and Edge users, removing heavy extensions can significantly improve speed. Finally, check your power settings. Many laptops slow down because they run in power saver mode by accident. Go to Power and Battery Settings and choose High Performance or Balance to unlock more speed instantly. And here's a bonus tip. If your laptop has an HDD instead of an SSD, upgrading to an SSD will transform it. But even without upgrades, the steps in this video will give your laptop a noticeable speed boost in just minutes. So before you think about buying a new laptop, try these quick fixes. You'll be surprised at how much faster your old machine can run. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments what device you want me to optimize next. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.